We are given that the coefficient in this expansion is equal to 860. Now before we proceed to solve this question, let us have a common understanding of coefficient. The coefficient is the number in front of the variable in each term. For example, the coefficient of x squared is a 3. The coefficient of x is a 5. Okay, so coefficient is the number in front of the variable in each term. We need to expand this expression and this expression, but because this is a plus, therefore we just need to find the coefficient of x cubed in this expression and the coefficient of x cubed in this expression. Okay, the coefficient of x cubed plus another coefficient of x cubed will result in the final coefficient of this expansion. Okay, so let us expand this expression to find the coefficient of x cubed first. This one I can rewrite as a 2 plus minus kx whole thing to the power of 5. And this is correspond to the expression that we are familiar, a plus b to the power of n. So the a will be 2, the b will be minus kx. The first term will be a to the power of 5, which is 2 to the power of 5, plus 5c1, the power of 5, c1, followed by a, which is a 2 to the power of 5 minus 1, okay, which is a 4. Then b, the expression of b obtained from here, and the power of b will follow this value here, which is a 1, plus after 5c1, the next term will be 5c2. 2 to the power of 5 minus 2 will give you a 3. B will be minus kx to the power of 2. Now we are interested in coefficient of x cubed. So from here we have reached the term x squared. We have to do one more to get the x cubed term. So after 5c2 will be a 5c3. A will be 2 to the power of 5 minus 3 will be 2. B power will be 3 plus dot dot dot. The reason why we no need to continue the expansion because we already obtained the coefficient of x cubed from this term here. All the term in front of this term is not required. The reason why we need to do the expansion because we need to write down this so that we can reach the x cubed term. We are going to do the same thing for this expansion here to obtain the coefficient of x cubed. So let us expand this expression. A will be 3, b will be x. So a to the power of n, which is n will be 6. 6c1, a to the power of 6 minus 1 will give you a 5. Then b will be x. Follow this power here. 6c2, 3 to the power of 4, x squared, plus 6c3, 3 to the power of 3, x cubed, plus dot dot dot. So we obtain the coefficient of x cubed from this term here. Okay. Now we have the coefficient of x cubed from here. We have the coefficient of x cubed from here. We are going to add these two coefficients together. Okay, and the coefficient will be this number here. I've copied down this expression here and copied down this expression here. Now let's simplify the expression. 40 minus k cubed x cubed plus, this is 540 x cubed. Now we are interested in the coefficient of x cubed. That means we are going to factorize out the x cubed and get the number in front of x cubed. From the question, we are told that this coefficient here, coefficient of x cubed, right, is equal to 860. So we are going to equate this expression to 860, and from there we can find k. So minus 40x cubed plus 540 equal to 860. And k eventually will give us a value of -2. And that's the answer. Please visit this website for more videos. Thank you.